Meet Olivia Prime, a case management software built specifically for processing Social Security disability claims. If you've ever felt slowed down by generic case management systems or overwhelmed by cluttered interfaces, you're not alone. Most software wasn't designed for the way disability claims are actually processed. That's where Olivia Prime changes everything. Olivia Prime was created with one goal in mind: to help you manage Social Security disability claims faster, more efficiently, and with complete confidence. Every feature is purpose-built for advocates, so instead of adapting your workflow to the software adapts to you. We've intentionally designed Olivia Prime with a clean, streamlined interface that eliminates unnecessary clutter while still delivering powerful functionality. That means less time searching, less time clicking, and more time focusing on what matters most: your clients. From case tracking and document management to workflow organization and secure data handling, Olivia Prime supports every stage of the claims process. Whether you're managing a handful of cases or scaling a growing practice, you'll have the tools you need to stay organized, compliant, and productive. And the best part? It's easy to learn. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. Olivia Prime is designed so you and your team can get up and running quickly, without the frustration of a steep learning curve. Advocates across the country are already making the switch to purpose-built case management, and they're seeing the difference every day in speed, efficiency, and professionalism. If you're ready to upgrade your workflow and take control of your case management process, now is the time. Explore our value packages by scanning the QR code to save on our Olivia software when purchased as part of a training package. Order today and transform the way you handle Social Security disability claims with Olivia Prime. Don't delay. Act now.